Welcome to our video on maximizing success by embracing quality over quantity in lead generation. When it comes to generating leads for your business, it's easy to focus on the sheer number of leads rather than their quality. But let's rethink that approach. Imagine you have thousands of leads, but when you reach out to them, they are disinterested or not in your target market. It's a waste of time and resources. Instead, by focusing on quality leads, we ensure that every lead is a potential customer who is genuinely interested in your product or service. Quality leads are more likely to convert into paying customers, leading to a higher return on investment. It's not about casting a wide net, but rather fishing in the right pond. So, how can you embrace quality lead generation? First, define your target market and create buyer personas. Understanding your ideal customer will ensure your efforts are directed towards the right audience. Next, optimize your lead capture forms by asking for relevant information that will help qualify your leads. This will help separate the serious prospects from the casual browsers. Leveraging marketing automation tools can streamline the lead nurturing process. By providing valuable content tailored to each lead's needs, you build trust and establish your authority in the industry. Additionally, building a strong brand reputation through testimonials, case studies, and positive online reviews will attract quality leads who are more likely to trust your business. Remember, quality over quantity may initially appear counterintuitive, but it's a proven strategy to maximize your success in lead generation. Thanks for watching our video, and if you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.